The garden looks different now. It's full of sunflowers and peas and things flowering in every direction. It feels a little chaotic, and I don't even know where to begin making my June diary. So I'm just putting some marks down on the page to get started. That's the hardest part for me. And then we'll see what happens. I'm speeding this up here because it took a very long time. A long time to even get to a place where I was at all interested in what I was doing. Eventually I got there though, and I forgot about everything else but putting marks down on the paper. book has been printed and it's supposed to be on my doorstep tomorrow. So I'll do another bonus video this week of the unboxing of the book, and I will tell you how you can get a copy. If you've already ordered a book or have one coming, I will be mailing those copies out by the end of this week.